Today we're looking at the Modern Fan Company Model 001 fan speed controller. In the box we have a white faceplate, the fan controller itself, 4 screws, and 3 wire nuts. And it's made in China, so you know it's good. Here's the back of the unit. You can see it has a wiring diagram showing 3 wires, and as we zoom out we can see the 3 wires. We have 2 black wires and a green wire. As you can see from the diagram, the green wire goes to ground. 1 black wire goes to the load and 1 black wire goes to the line. So I don't think it makes any difference which one you use. But anyway, it's very important that you have the ground hooked up. And I did take an ohm meter previously and verified that the green wire is electrically connected to this metal backing plate. So there is a connection through for ground. Looking at the back more closely, we can see it's made by the Rhine Electronics company and seems to have another model besides the Modern Fan Company model number. Here's the side of the model. There we are, all finished. So position number 1 is full. Position number 2 is medium. Position number 3 is low medium. Position number 4 is very, very low. Put it back on 1. Here we are in position 1. If you notice, this fan has a pull chain, and I've got the pull chain set to the high speed. So this is at high. This is the same speed it would be if I was wired up directly, 100% of full speed. Now we're on position 2. You can see it's much slower. You can just barely feel the air coming out of here. It's very, very low. Of course, this fan has always kind of been a little bit low. And I was kind of hoping that this position 2 on the wall switch should be better than the second position on the pull switch. But they're about the same. Okay, now we're at position 3. And it's very, very low. And of course, the low speed on the pull chain was about the same as this. So anyway, it's very comparable. Now let's try the next position. We're in position 4, and this is very, very slow. It's really more for looks than anything. And anyway, I'm going to try a different one. I've got another fan hooked up to the same type switch, so I'm going to try it in just a second here. Here's the Modern Fan Company Controller 001 hooked up to a different fan, so we're going to turn on high. Let's go over and take a look. Takes a little bit to come up to speed, but that's nice and high. Here's position 2. Lowered it down to position 2. You can hear the noise is slightly lower. Got a nice breeze coming out of it. Try position 3. Position 3. Anyway, I got the Modern Fan Company fan controller because it's only $10. And everybody else wanted like $22 to $26. They look like they're the same thing. I bet you they're all made in the same factory. So this one's $10, and I got it free shipping from ATG Stores, so I was very happy about that. It arrived FedEx 3 days later, so you can't beat that for free shipping. And anyway, here's the lowest setting. By the way, that was setting 3. Now we're down to setting number 4. And I can actually feel a little breeze off that. This fan does a lot nicer with it. This is a Hampton Bay, by the way. Let's take a look at it. This is the Hampton Bay Fan. And this is the setting 4. There's still a nice breeze off of this. I can actually feel a little bit of a wind off of this. And I was so happy with the way the Modern Fan Company controller worked on this fan that I bought it for the other fan because I was really unhappy with how low the settings were on the other fan. But anyway, like I say, $10. Not bad.